Fill stick repair on a particle board shelf that has a photographic type finish over the surface, a film over the surface. We have a gouge in the panel, and we're going to fill it with a fill stick. And to fill with a fill stick, all you do is first thing you want to do is make sure that this is level, that we don't have any splinters sticking up that might keep it from being a level repair. And a fill stick repair is real simple. You run it back and forth across the defect until the defect is filled. And we're going to take a plastic scraper and level the repair. Now, this particular repair, the color that we chose is not very good. It's kind of standing out. And a lot of questions have been raised about, well, what if I choose the wrong color? Well, that's one of the great things about a fill stick repair is it's real simple to correct. The fill stick is wax. It's very easy to dig back out. You can dig it back out with a razor knife, with your fingernail, but we'll just clean out the material that's the wrong color and just refill the defect. We've chosen a fill stick that's closer to the right color. It's a couple of shades darker than we think we're going to need. Fill sticks oftentimes, once they've been applied, tend to look pretty good if they're just a couple of shades darker. So we're going to rub that back and forth across the defect until it's filled. I'm going to take that scraper blade and we're going to level it. We have a nice level repair, and in this one there's a little bit of discoloration at the edge. I'm going to take a graining pen. It allows me to do a very small amount of color, and we'll blend that in. And that takes care of most minor repairs. Typically we're going to use a fill stick in areas that don't get a lot of scrutiny or a lot of wear. They are wax. I would not use this on a tabletop surface or cabinet door, somewhere that gets used a lot. Again, they're used primarily just for aesthetic repairs of small defects. We can add some additional protection by using a clear brushable touch-up to cover up the surface. We just don't want to flood the area with material, so we want a pretty dry brush. We'll come in and just lightly put a little clear over that surface and allow it to dry. Another option is to use one of our aerosol clears. This one happens to be a Flow Out 20 sheen. This is about a 20-degree sheen that's on there. And again, all we would do is just come in and do a light misting coat over the repair.